Hey everyone, Brent Bowen here with Bowen Customs. We got a delivery today, a 2023 F-350, originally the 6 3/4 factory bed. We've replaced that with our camper bed. I'm going to give you a little walkthrough and show you some of the details on this build. So starting off, again, this is a 6 3/4 factory bed. The replacement camper bed is just slightly longer, so we're 86 inches overall, which we find is a perfect length, especially customers like this. This specific customer has a Supertramp camper, which fits nice and tight in the back of this. So overall, nice fit and finish for the length of the truck, fits the camper perfectly. On this bed, everything you see here is fairly standard for us. Lower storage boxes, upper storage. This is all a pass-through. I'll show you when we get around to the other side. As we come around the back here, you'll see this customer optioned the rear upper access doors. These access the same upper storage down the side. It's just one long storage access from the back. Customer also optioned the removable tailgate. So this is nice for if you have a camper, you're more of a weekend warrior, and you want to do truck stuff during the week. This is a great option. So this goes on and off with 8 bolts, and then you have access to just a normal truck bed again. Again, this customer optioned to have his 5th wheel hitch access retained. So that's what you see here in the middle. And then the proprietary Supertramp camper front mount has been relocated into this bed as well. Flush mount L-track comes standard on all of our camper and topper beds. And then the option of adding inner access doors in the future if the customer would ever change campers and needed access for internal tie downs like that. So, and then real quick, close that back up. So as we come around this side, you can see all that storage that we just looked at, nice and open. So again, this rear access door is just through this storage from the back here. Yeah, all pretty standard from us. As you probably know from our videos, and you saw when I opened the back, our camper beds, they're really designed around sliding campers. We're the only bed on the market that retains that factory floor height of the truck bed. So the camper, when loaded in this, will sit nice and low. It'll hug the cab of the truck. Just a really nice fit and finish overall. So if you guys have more questions or you want to learn more, get a quote, feel free to reach out. You can shoot us an email, give us a call at the shop. Email is info@bowencustoms.com, and we look forward to talking to you. Take care.